Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to hide your username on Telegram in just a few simple steps. Whether you want extra privacy or prefer to keep your profile a little more low-key, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the home screen, where all your chats are displayed. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines. That's your menu icon. Tap on it and a sidebar will appear with your profile picture, phone number, and settings options. Now, tap on your username section. This is where your current Telegram username is displayed. Once you're in, you'll notice a text box showing your existing username. To hide it, simply delete the text inside that box so that it's completely empty. Once you've cleared it, look at the top corner of the screen and tap the checkmark icon. This will save your changes instantly. Telegram will now remove your username from your profile, making it invisible to others who are not in your contacts. From now on, people will only be able to find you through your phone number if you choose to share it, or by using your profile link if you have one set up later. This quick tweak is perfect for boosting your privacy and keeping your identity a little more private while still staying connected with friends, family, or communities. And that's it. You've just learned how to hide your username on Telegram. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in controlling what others see about your profile. If you found this helpful, take a moment to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to keep your account secure and customized to your liking. Thanks for watching.